All right. And we're about to do a wonderful, wonderful tire change to this wonderful car. Okay, let's see what we got here. Hey Tim, how's it going?
Great.
I guess I'm in the right place.
Yeah, you're in the right place.
Alright, so let's see how you did it so far. Did you put the handbrakes on?
Yeah, parking brakes is on.
Alright. You missed it a little bit. This thing gotta be right here. But that's okay. I guess I can start, right?
You can start.
Alright. Alright. Now what we're gonna do is, before we take it completely off, we're gonna put a few bolts back so it won't do anything.
Stupid.
That's right. You got it. But here you go. So you can't get this tire off. That's why you called me, right?
Right.
Called us. Okay. So what I did is I secured this, but not too much. So if it does go off, it would be to our benefit.
Right.
How do you like that idea for a start?
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Flat.
We're being creative here. So all of the pressure of the car goes on the tire now,
Yeah.
and it might do some changes. See what I mean? You know what I mean?
Yeah. No,
This is just one way. Obviously, I have more ways.
yeah.
How was your day today?
It was great until the end.
Yeah? You're a golf player, right?
Yeah, we're golfing today.
See, there's a little bit of an arrow here.
Oh, is there?
Yeah, to indicate where to put it.
Oh, okay.
But that's okay. That's why you called us.
Well, I had 3 guys here trying to do it. So.
Well, that's okay. All what you really need is one guy that will do it properly.
No, exactly right. Yeah, well, none of us can figure it out.
Handbrakes on, right? Emergency brakes on. Good. Just to make sure that the spare tire is gonna fit and we don't have to lift it up while the tire's off. Alright. Now we're ready for action. As for safety, we're gonna leave two bolts there. I'll go get my special tool. How do you like this? You like that?
Is that all it took?
Hey, this is not the key. This is the key right here. Now I'll tell you what, if you would even know how to do this, those guys would do it. But what they won't do is leave two bolts there. The tire is gonna fall off, and there your car can go down.
Yeah, right.
So it's the things, the little things that make the big.
No,
You understand what I'm saying?
Right. No, that's exactly right.
So it's always paying off, unless it's a Honda Civic.
Yeah.
I mean an old one. I like the newer ones. It's like the difference between, I expect. securing this. Okay, so there we go. Now, how did you like that?
Amazing.
We're still doing it.
Very, very impressed. You had the magic tool. I appreciate you have to have this knowledge.
Yeah, I got the magic tool. You got it.